Hello YouTube, back again here. I got a 2008 Toyota Camry Hybrid here. I'm going to remove the hybrid battery. I'm going to show you how to do that today. What you want to do here is open the trunk. You're going to want to remove this cover here to expose the high voltage battery here. You're going to want to pull the seat levers here on each side to bring down both rear seats here, like so. In the back seat here, there's 1, 2, 3 rivets here. You're going to want to remove those 3 rivets and pull this cover back to expose the high voltage battery. After exposing the high voltage battery, you're going to want to come over to the fuse here. You're going to want to disengage the service fuse here and remove it. After removing the service fuse, you're going to want to come over this cover here in the trunk, and you're going to take the positive side off the battery here. You're going to need a 10mm wrench to do so. After moving this cover to the side, you're going to expose 1, 2 12mm bolts. You're going to want to remove those. After moving that 12mm bolt and that 12mm bolt, you're going to move to the rear of the pack. In the rear of the pack, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts you have to remove, 12mm. After removing those bolts here, you're going to want to remove this tape from here, and you're going to want to remove this plug here from the fan. You have an air duct here, and you're going to want to remove that by taking this 10mm bolt out here. After removing the 10mm bolt, wiggle air duct out. Before removing the battery, you're going to want to come to the back cover over here, and you're going to want to remove this 10mm bolt and nut, and also these 2 10mm nuts here also. After removing the 10mm bolt and 10mm nuts, you're going to want to remove this rivet lock. You're going to want to remove the high voltage wires and pull them to the side, like so. You then want to remove this 10mm nut, this 10mm nut, and that 10mm bolt. After removing the bolts and nuts, you're going to want to remove this cover, like so. After removing the cover, you're going to expose the positive terminal here and your negative terminal here. You're going to want to remove this 10mm nut and this 10mm nut also. After removing the 10mm nuts off the positive cable and the negative cable off the high voltage lines, you're going to want to remove the cable from the battery, like so. After removing the high voltage cables, you're going to want to come over to the battery management system plug, and you're going to want to disconnect that also. I want to come over to this little cover. You're going to work this cover up, and you're going to want to remove this 10mm nut also. You then are going to want to wiggle the cable and remove the cable. All the cables, high voltage cables, power cables, and battery management system cables have been removed and laid to the side here. Next step here is to remove the fan. You're going to have to remove this 10mm bolt to do that. You're also going to have to remove this little pop rivet here, and you're going to want to wiggle this vent out. After wiggling the vent out, you should be able to wiggle this fan out and remove it. After removing the fan, you're going to want to wiggle the rest of the vent out so that you can slide the battery out. I recommend that you get 2 guys because this battery is pretty heavy here. And you're going to want to wiggle the battery out like so. With the battery pack removed, I'm now able to disassemble the battery pack. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.